What's up, high-level app developers and app providers? We're going to be talking today about dynamic usage-based pricing within our app configurator. This is essentially giving us the ability to charge based on usage, whether it is a conversation provider or a workflow provider or something custom via an API like API calls. Now I'm going to show you exactly how the configurator works in this video, so let's dive right in. Obviously, to get to your app, go to the app marketplace, go to your apps, and then pricing section. And we're going to be customizing this in the manage billing meters section. First, we can click add meter, and then we can add our meter name. And for this case, imagine that this is an app providing custom API calls. So we'll select our module type, custom event API, give our module a name, API runs, and then for the usage unit, we'll say executions. As you can see down here, it's pricing per execution. Then we can include our maxed limit per day as usual. So we'll say just 1,000 executions. So we can now select dynamic pricing rather than just fixed, which allows us to set a minimum price per unit as well as a maximum price per unit. This can get really useful. For example, your app is delivering either a very simple API call or a very complex API call with a very long return. So this really allows you to customize your margins and stay in a safe zone whenever you are charging for your app. We'll say for this one, the minimum price will be 0.001 and the maximum price will be $1. And we can have our default price 0.1, so 10 cents per execution. And then we can include a pricing page URL here. When we add the billing meter, this is what now will show on the app page. So this is an example of what regular pricing looks like. And then here is that dynamic range. If you want a more complex app that has more variables when it comes to each execution or each SMS or whatever your app is actually providing, this can be really helpful for you. As always, I hope you found this helpful. My name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.